Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with US Bank app card lock features, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the US Bank app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Select the card for which you want to use the lock features. Tap on the Card Controls option. You will see several features related to card management. To lock your card, find the Lock Card option and tap on it. Confirm that you want to lock the card by following the prompts. Once locked, your card will be temporarily disabled for purchases. If you wish to unlock your card, return to the Card Controls section. Select the Unlock Card option. Confirm that you want to unlock the card. You will receive a notification indicating that your card is now active. It's that simple to manage your card using US Bank app lock features. Feel free to explore additional security features in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.